All right, let's take a look at our calendar. What month are we in? Who can tell me what month we're in? Ruby. What month is it? Oh, look at this again. Starts with an S. September, good. So we are in September 2020. Let's count how many days we have in September. Okay, here we go. Ready? 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we have 30 days in September. Okay, so if we're looking at this, Truett, where do I need to move our today marker? To the second. I like how you said that, so I'm just going to move it one over because it is September 2nd. And Truett, did you have something else you wanted to say?
And also, do you want to come over for the rest of the cupcake?
For the rest of the cupcake. What about cupcakes?
We got cupcakes for my dad's birthday the other day. Do you want to come over maybe for rest?
I would love to, but I've got a lot of work to do today.
There's a red velvet cookie cupcake left.
Oh, red velvet is one of my favorites. It's very tempting, buddy. All right. So today, like we just said, today is September 2nd. Okay. So let's see how many days we have until Labor Day. So Labor Day is a holiday where we get the day off school to celebrate all of those that work really, really hard for us. All right, so let's take a look. So let's count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 days until Labor Day. Oh, Trey, you got muted. What'd you say, buddy? Awesome. All right. And then we have, touch your nose if your birthday's on September 14th. Touch your nose if your birthday is September 14th and your name starts with an R. Ruby, yep. So Ruby's birthday is September 14th, so her birthday is coming up. And we'll be sure to celebrate that with her. All right. Let's see how many days we've been in school. So how many days have we been in school today? Raise your hand if you know. So we can look here, see what we did yesterday to figure out how many we've been in today. Aubrey, do you know how many days we've been in school today? So if we look right here, this is how many we've been in today. So who knows how many days we've been in school today? Ruby, do you know? Not 10. Michael, what about you? Do you know? What did you say, buddy? What did you say, Michael? Not 55. You've been in school 25 days. All right, so who can tell me where I need to put a counter? Who can give me some good directions on where to put this counter? Story, could you help me? Story, go ahead and unmute. I want to see if you can help me put the counter on the 25. So the 25 is right here, but you need to tell me where to put the counter. So, like this? Is that what you wanted me to do, Rick? Or do I need to keep going? You told me to scoot it over. Oh, where these are? Oh, so put it next to the other blue circles. Okay. Like this? No, like this? So I need to put it over here. Is that what you're saying? Right there? All right. So yeah, 25. So you know what that? So we figured out how many days we've been in school. So you know what that means. What is that? What do we get to do now? 25 jumping jacks. All right. Are you ready? All right. Here we go. So stand up. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Good job.
I accidentally did 30.
Oh, overachiever. All right, let's take a look at how we can represent the number 25. So we're going to represent it in two different ways. So, how many 10s do we have?
2.
We have 2 10s. How many 1s are here right now? How many 1s do we? 4, right? How many do we need to add to make 5? How many? We need to add 1, right? So I'm going to move 1 up. Actually, I'm going to move these guys up a little bit. So yeah, I'm going to move this one. Move 1 up. So let's double check. Do I have 5 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, I've got 5. So let's see if I can find the number 5. Do you guys think I can do it on the first try? You don't think I can do it on the first try? All right, let's see. Nope. But am I close though? Am I close? All right, let's look at how we can represent 25 in a different way. So, all right, let's take a breath. Catch a bubble. All right, so if we look here, we've got 2, what are these called? Remind me, what are these called? 10 frames. So we have 2 full 10 frames. So that's like a 10 that we have. So we have 10, 20, right? We have 20, so 2 10s or 20. Then we have 4 over here. So I'm going to add 1 more. Just like this. And now we are showing 25, and I'm going to type in a 5.
Mr. Harris, I can't hear you.
Can everyone else hear me?
I still can't hear you, Mr. Harris.
All right, so
Mr. Harris, I can't hear you.
so
Mr. Harris.
all right, so here is 25 in a different way. All right. So here's 25 in a different way. So Mari, so have you been our weather reporter? All right, so can you look outside? What's the weather like today? Cloudy. We've got another cloudy day. So far, September hasn't been very sunny. All right. So we have 1 partly cloudy day and 1 cloudy day. Okay. All right. Is it? Is the sun like? Do you see blue skies or is it gray? You see blue. All right. So it kind of sometimes it depends on where you are. So what we'll do is we'll just go with the weather that we see that someone sees. All right. We'll trust them that they're giving us the right weather. Okay. I'll teach you a game that you can play on your own at home with the materials that you have. So on my desk right here, I've got a big bucket of these counting cubes. Okay, you see how big that bucket is? Look at that. Look at all these. So what I'm going to do. This game is called Grab and Count. So what I'm going to do, it sounds as simple as that. I'm going to grab in here. I'm going to put some on here, and I'm going to count. So the best way to count is to touch each thing that you see and arrange them. So watch. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 cubes out. So I'm going to write the number 8. Just like that. You guys see that? All right, so what I want you to do, I want you to help me with this next one. So I'm going to put these back. And I want you to count what I have, and I want you to write that number. So you're going to help me, okay? Yeah, Mari. So we are in math right now, so we're going to do math, then breakout rooms. So remember, but we're not going to ask that question, okay? Because it makes our day seem longer. So here we go. I'm going to put out some cubes. So count those for me. Oh, count in your head for me. Do me a favor, count in your head or mute yourself so others can count. So you're going to count and write that number. And show me. Good, Truett. Good, Jordan. Good, Mari. Good, Story. Hey, Krishan, can you put that down for me? I want you to be doing what we're doing. Thank you. Good, Alex. Right. Oh, good job, Michael. Good job, Lena. Good job, Amelia. Good job, Nevaeh. Good job, Torin. Good job, Aubrey. Oh, Aubrey, you made an equivalent or equal set. I love that. Good job. All right, good job, Knox. All right, so let's count together. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to write 6, just like that. Okay. Right. Let's do another one together. So I'm going to put these back. Let's see how many I can grab this time. Oh, I grabbed a lot. Okay. So I'll spread these out a little bit. See if you guys can figure out how many I have. Ooh, that's a big number. See how many I have. Yeah, Jordan. Do you have a question, or do you know how many I have? Oh.
I think there's 14 blocks.
Alright, so we'll count in just a second. Alright, good job, Truett. I see you double checking too. Lena, double check for me. Alright, so remember, double checking is counting and checking our work again. Oh, don't shout it out. I want to make sure everyone has a chance to count and do the work. So, Krishan, can you count these and let me know what the answer is? Krishan, I need you to put that down. I need your eyes on the computer screen. Can you count these cubes for me? Krishan, put the phone away. All right, let's count these together. Here we go. So I'm going to rearrange these in a way that can help us count better. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so I'm going to write the number 12. So that's a 1 and a 2, just like that. Touch your nose if you counted 12 and got 12. Good. Right. So do you see how so what does this look like? I know it's just blocks on a table, but does this look like a 10 frame? So if you can arrange things and you put them in a 10 frame, that they're easier to count. All right, let's do one more. And then we will break off into our own rooms. So you guys can do some work on your own. Okay. All right, last one, count these. Oh. I think we might have the same number as we had earlier, but that's okay. Oh, don't shout out. All right, let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so we're going to write 8 like this. So good job. Okay. So we are going to, yes.
so me already.
We are gonna go.